Fix League of Legends character movement lagging bug PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix League of Legends character movement uh, lagging bug in PC. So there are multiple solutions there. You can optimize internet connection, like if possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired internet connection for a more stable and faster connection. And you can ensure your router is placed in an open area away from walls and electronic devices to minimize signal interference. And you can if possible, multiple devices are using in the internet, try to minimize usage during gameplay or consider upgrading your internet plan. You can consider optimizing your DNS settings or use a tool to improve connection quality. You can also adjust in-game settings like reduce graphical settings such as resolution, shadow quality, and effects to improve performance. You can enable prefer DXN legacy mode in the game settings to potentially improve performance. If your FPS is very high, over 300, it can be cause issues. Try capping your FPS to a more reasonable level like 144 or 240, or use VSync to match your monitor's refresh rate. You can run as administrator background applications. You can update drivers, especially graphic card drivers, and you can turn off firewall or antivirus for League of Legends and the Riot client, and you can disable extension points and automatic graphic switching. So that's all the solutions you can try to fix League of Legends character movement lagging bug in PC. So see you on the next one.